Welcome. This is a practice called 3 breaths, 3 ways. It's an attempt to bring preliminary practices from most wisdom traditions and integrate them with contemporary neuroscience and psychology to create a sense of moving from bottom up, from our body to nervous system, to our energy system, to our awareness-based knowing. So what we'll do is we'll have a series of breaths, and I'll do 3 of each, but certainly you can do more. Feel free to stop the recording and let certain sections continue, or just do a variation on your own. So we'll begin with what I call a heart hug. So with this, we begin by taking our one hand and putting the palm over your heart, and then your fingers will wrap around to touch these meridians on the side of your body, and then your other hand can come and feel this sense of a hug on your bicep. So the feeling here is one of allowing yourself to feel hugged and to hug. So receiving the hug and giving yourself a self-compassionate hug. And when you do, you can begin to feel that really intimate and connection that a hug is one of the most profound and important dimensions of human life. Many of us lack the many hugs that we would like, and this is one way to receive and give. And it often releases oxytocin in the brain, which is a chemical that helps us feel relaxed and also joyful. You can do this as long as you like. And the next movement of this 3 breaths, 3 ways is to bring your hands, your palms together, and feel the heat as you rub your palms. And then for some of you, you may notice this feeling of energy or chi or prana that feels like a magnet or taffy or some puffy cloud. For others, it'll just be warmth in your hands. And so soon we'll be doing the 3-part breath as the main breath of each of the 3 meditations. And this will be a breath in through your belly will be soft, and then you'll expand your rib cage, and then breathe up to your collarbone. You'll be breathing through your nostrils for the in-breath. And then this first series, the out-breath, will be breathing out of our mouths, slower and longer, as if through a straw. Yeah? So the first hand gesture that will go with this series of 3 breaths is to take your non-dominant hand and to feel as if you can support your head at the place where your skull and top of your spine meet, this occiput. And then feel that warmth of a human hand, that support of the energy of your hand in this primal way of feeling contact as if you're holding the head of a baby. And this primordial feeling of feeling the support of the earliest, most primal dimension of your body and mind. And so you can allow your hand to remain here, or when you feel comfortable or tired, you can let it down during this breath. So let's begin by breathing out. And then as you breathe in, breathing in your nostril, allowing your belly to fill, allowing your rib cage to open, and then breathing up to your collarbone, filling every cell of your body with oxygen. And then as you breathe out, breathing out slower and longer as if through a straw. And again, in your own rhythm, soft belly full, opening the wings of your heart, and breathing up into every cell of your body through your nostril. And then as you're breathing out slower and longer, as if through a straw. And just letting yourself begin to feel this sense of shifting out of your sympathetic nervous system, from that fight or flight or freeze, and into this calm nervous system and body. And again, when your own rhythm, soft belly, open rib cage, full breath through your nostril, and then breathing out slower and longer as if through a straw. Feeling this shift from sympathetic nervous system to parasympathetic. And doing this as many times as you need, but for now, we'll just feel the effect and let your breath find a normal rhythm. And then the second hand gesture is to put your hand over the center of your torso, finding this heart space. So not so much your emotional heart, but this heart mind or heart space, so that you'll be able to feel vibration. As we breathe out, we're going to make a sound like hum or om or home, and feel as if you move from thinking, which is hearing inner voices, inner sounds, inner talk, and moving down, dropping down the center from your head to your heart space, and feeling your whole body vibrate and feel this subtle body relaxation and balancing. So what we'll do now is do the same kind of in-breath together. So breathing in to your belly, filling your rib cage, and breathing up to your collarbone. And this time as you breathe out, just making an audible sound so you can feel the vibration. And again, when you're ready, breathing in, same way. And one more time, breathing in, soft belly, full, open wings of the heart throughout your whole body. And then breathing out and making a sound. And again, letting your breath return to a natural rhythm, and just feel the effects of this stimulation of the vagus nerve with the sound made in your throat, and also the dropping into the subtle body awareness that allows you to feel more spacious and energetically grounded and embodied, and dropped out of the mental sensations into your full body, energized and relaxed quality. And I'll show you this next series, which we'll be doing 3 breaths, that has a few more parts to it. When you're ready, you can watch. So the hand gesture is the hands will be going all the way up into a V. Your eyes will raise up above the screen and not look at the wall in front of you, but look at space, maybe at a friendly distance. And then open your peripheral vision. And third thing to do is smile. And the fourth is that your awareness will go out into this open space, rest as this awake space, and then you'll be aware from this awake space. And then as you breathe out, we're just going to let go of everything with a sigh. And then we're going to let natural breath happen for a few breaths, and then we'll do it 2 more times. So here we go. I'll guide you in this together. So breathing out together. And then when you're next breathing in, eyes go up, arms go up, smile, looking to peripheral vision, open space, aware from the open space, and just letting be, letting go. And then just breathing out together. And as you next breathe in, you can raise your eyes up, your arms go up, your smile, look at the space, and then be aware from the space, as the space, remaining open, and let go. Just feeling the effect. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. Space, awareness-based knowing, connected to the aliveness and your body and the world. Simultaneously, multidimensional rest and alertness. And we'll do 1 more time, breathing out together. And then as you breathe in, eyes go up, arms go up, smile. Awareness goes out to the space, aware of the spacious awareness as the spacious awareness, remaining open, and just feel the effect when your body, nervous system, energy, and awareness as primary is balanced into this feeling of true nature and awake consciousness that has a feeling of calm abiding and an awakeness that's resting deeper than sleep as that which is naturally wide awake. So from here, you can begin to realize this is not just a meditation state, but perhaps just see whether it could possibly be your essential nature from which you could stand up, move, and begin to stretch, and then move into activity from this dropped down, opened up, and inclusive heart-mind that you can begin to live from. And when you lose it, just say no big surprise and just learn to re-recognize. Enjoy.